Hi, welcome to Educator.com. Today's lessons we're going to be covering the content management system, and we've kind of explored it a little bit. We're going to go a little bit more in detail and actually edit some more products. I wanted to cover some of the other stuff with taking some stuff out of the database. I mentioned before that we had an issue with Cartweaver not removing certain things. That you can archive things to remove them off, but I'm going to show you actually how to do this. So if you get stuck in that part of the content management system, you can you know how to edit it, and there's always a way around it to take it off completely because you just don't need it. Okay, so we want to go into let's see here, this part of the content management system. We want to actually go in and see how we can archive some of these orders. So let's take a look let's go to products. Products is basically going to tell us what we can actually do. We want to go to active products. I'm going to click on this first one here, and I'm going to go ahead and archive it. And it'll give you this little box here. Are you sure you want to archive this product? And all associated SKUs removed item from the web. It's fine. Just go ahead and archive it. And now that it's in the archive, you're going to see this. So you'll start to see this list grow a little bit, as we don't really need everything in here. Okay. Same thing with this one. And see, this is what I was talking about. This one right here actually doesn't have an archive. So there's actually a way to go in and actually remove it, because we don't need test product. Okay. But it's there. It's just there for the sake of seeing what options you can actually have. Okay. So we'll get back to that one. Let's see with this one. Archive product. Perfect. Okay. See that one? Yeah, that one did not sit. Yeah. Let's go back to this one. Single SKU. Okay, that one also has that same issue. This one we can archive. Now let's go to, keep going. Okay, can't do that one. 2 option product, can't do that one. So no big deal. We can actually go back, and I'm going to show you how to take them out. I won't literally take them out for you on this, but I'm going to show you how you actually go around it. But right now we actually have, these are the live products, and I'm going to put a couple more in just for demonstration, so we can filter out the girls apparel and the boys apparel, just to show that. Okay, so when you go into MAMP, you're going to see the phpmyadmin button. This is where we can go into manually into the database and actually remove what we don't want. Okay, so when you go into it, you're going to have your, you should be somewhat more familiar with this at this point. But we're going to go into the actual database itself. And is that the right one? Yeah. And we're going to go into products. The table products is where it's going to contain that information. And if I want to go into product name, check it, you can browse it. And here's where we actually have our information. Now from here, all you would really do is go in and actually remove it. So let me see, what we had here was cheap test product. That was the name of it. If I want to go in and take out cheap test product, I go here, hit delete. You want to delete, yeah, gone. That's all it is. Simple as that. And this is the back end of the database. So what you're using right now in the content management system is the front end. So you hear front end and back end. This is what we're talking about. This user interface is, it's okay, but it's, there's a lot going on. The other content management system that we're using for Cartweaver is a lot more easier to use. It's simple English, as opposed to trying to read table contents that what they've put in already. So this makes it a little bit more easier to read and a little bit easier on the eyes. So if I go